Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Hide the Body Easy Guide. Your main goal as a killer is to eliminate all players and hide their bodies before time runs out. As a survivor, you must discover hidden bodies and report them to secure a win. The game provides a thrilling experience, demanding quick thinking and strategic movements from both roles. Let's dive into the specifics of each role now. As the killer, your main task is to eliminate every survivor. Once a survivor is eliminated, a body bag will appear, and you have approximately 20 seconds to pick it up and hide it. Look for out-of-the-way places, such as behind large objects, inside vents, or in obscure corners of the map. Try to stay hidden yourself, observing survivor movements from a distance, before making your move to ensure maximum stealth and surprise. When you are a survivor, your main objective is to find any hidden bodies and report them. Listen for subtle sound cues or look for slight visual discrepancies, which often hint at a body's presence. Once you locate a body, approach it and interact to bring up the report option. Immediately pressing this button is vital for your team's success. Stay alert and try not to linger in one spot for too long, always moving cautiously. Mastering the report mechanism is key for survivors. You typically have a few seconds to report a body once found. Understanding map layouts is equally important. Knowing where common hiding spots are, like behind the large, broken wall on the factory map, gives you an edge. As a killer, use the map's complexities to your advantage, perhaps by dropping bodies into the water or using a secret passage. Always think several steps ahead of your opponents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.